beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Welcome to the Beauty family. If today's the first time you're clicking one of my videos, welcome. So today's makeup, it will not be a makeup tutorial. Today will be a reviewing item. Today we're going to be reviewing the MASQUEOLOGY Hyaluronic Acid Molding Peel-Off Mask. Will be the first time that I am reviewing a peel-off mask on my channel, and I am more than excited. So this hyaluronic acid molding peel-off mask, it hydrates, moisturizes, firm, and it's soothing to the skin. This hyaluronic acid molding peel-off mask is formulated to deliver moisture to the skin to keep the skin hydrated. It helps tighten the skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling youthful and rejuvenated. So you will have to, this will be also for all skin types, one-time use for this product right here. All right, so the directions for this product, it will be cleanse your face. So I just filmed a Mother's Day look, and this most likely will be, this video will be after Mother's Day makeup tutorial. So I just wanted to make sure I did this since I have a full-on makeup so I could take it off for y'all guys. All right, so cleanse your face, carefully open the pouch, do not spill powder. Pour 2 cups of water, which I have right here, to fill the line. The cup will, with the cup provided inside to mix. Oh, hold on. Everything that you need will be here. So this was says pour 2 cups of water to fill the line with the cup provided inside the mix for 1 minute. To a thick paste with spatula. Put a thick, even layer on the clean, dry skin using supplied spatula, and then starting from the cheek, quickly separate upward strokes to the chin, nose, forehead. The thicker and more uniform application, the easier will be to remove this product. Please leave on the face for 15 to 20 minutes until the mask hardens and to a rubbery consistency. To remove the mask, peel off and wipe away any excess with a dampened cloth or cotton ball. No need to rinse. Continue with your daily skincare regimen. This is recommended 1 to 3 times per 4 weeks. So, am I excited about this? Yeah, hyaluronic acid. Check me if you would like to know what I think about this MASQUEOLOGY Hyaluronic Acid Molding Peel-Off Mask. Then keep on watching. Let's go. There you go. All right, so I am back, and let's go ahead and open the package. It's supposed to be open like from one side to another. I'm gonna open it upwards, and this gives you like a sheet just like this, and it's, you're supposed to fill it up to here. This is what they say about the cup. So you're supposed to fill it up to that line. So I have my water here. And also this comes with a little spatula. It's nice and pink. Alright, so it says to fill up to the line. So we're going to fill this twice using water. Fill up to the line. I'm filling one line first, and then go ahead and mix the whole product. So what I'm doing is just this. And I'm going to fill to the second cup. And then pour it back in here. And I'm going to get to mixing. Alright guys, so my suggestion so far, this is the painting the tush to mix inside of this bowl, because it gives you something like this, but most of the product stays around here. So my suggestion is you have the proper materials at home. It's get like a plastic cup or something in a different container, pour it, and then use this to give the proper measurement, because I was mixing for like 10 to 15 minutes to get the consistency. You're supposed to get something pasty just like this. So then it says to put an even thick layer to a clean dry skin using the spatula, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing at this moment. And I'm going to be applying this all over my face. I guess you have to be avoiding the eye area. So what I like that the spatula gives you like a little angle, that way you don't apply nothing in the eye. All right, guys, so as I was applying this product, or either I did it wrong or this sucks, but I'm a little bit upset. This is already getting hard. Please don't mix this in this bowl, please, because you're gonna lose your money. By the time you get done like mixing everything in, you get already a rubbery consistency just like this. Look. So I have a lot of product that I haven't been able to put on my face. This is supposed to be like pasty, but it's not supposed to be like rubber. But this is so far what I was able to apply, because it was a pain in the butt applying this and mixing this in here. So my suggestion with this product, it's go ahead and place it in a container. Use the little fill thingy that they have and call it a day. Don't mix anything here, because this doesn't work this way. So I'm a little bit bummed out. Yes, this is my first peel off review on my channel, and I don't know what to expect. So I was trying to put a little bit more water and try to mix everything in from this, and that's how I end up having like chunks of crap coming out. And yeah, so if you're gonna use this, use it in a different way, not to do this. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and finish up. I'm gonna be waiting until this dries up so I can peel it off and show you. I'm gonna give you my last and give you what I think about it. But so far, I'm not a happy customer right now. I think this didn't apply the way that I was expecting. So I will be right back. The 15 to 20 minutes time has passed. So the first thing that I must say, that this is it feels very cooling to the skin, and my skin does feel hydrated. The smell of this feels more like a spa type like. I'm just a little bummed out, but the only thing that this starts to peel off like a rubber. And here we go. So it already peeled off this area here. So I'm going to start peeling this off, and it's going to look like chunks because this is how it peels off, like a rubbery consistency. Just like that. So it feels like a little mold. This is a peel off molding mask, so this should be expected. Because I wasn't able to apply this evenly, that's why this is just peeling off this way, which sucks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a damp towel that I have just to take the rest of this mask off, because I look like a hot mess. Okay guys, so I was able to remove everything with a dampened towel, like I use like a washcloth to take everything off my face. So my face still feels cooling. I am happy that I apply some hyaluronic acid to my face, which I love because I've been breaking out, and those are when I get really stressed out. They flare out, especially on my cheek, lower cheek area. So I have a blemish here, here, and here, and that's it. What do I think about this product? Guys, I am not happy. The reason is because of the mixing process. So when you undo this and cut it, all the products remain down here, so it is a pain in the butt to just mix everything in. And because this is like a molding, it dries really fast. So like I said before, apply it in a container, use that little film that it gives you to get the 2 cups of water in the cup. It's not a real cup, it's just this. Fill it up to the line that it says here. So yeah, mix it in a bowl, and that way you will have a more clear application. So I hope you like this video. Do I like the product? price for this, it was $250 at Walmart. It cost $250 at Walmart, and for the price, I can't complain. But I was expecting a better outcome. But it is what it is. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with the community, the MM Beauty family. It's growing. Don't forget to click on that notification button. That way, when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Los amo un montón. I'll see you. Bye-bye.